during the course of the day, and it's an important area of cloud because it marks the boundary between the quite cold air that we have at the moment and the milder air coming in from the southwest. Incidentally, those cold winds are still blowing down there over the Alps, and they've had a lot of snow. Join me on BBC2 for the latest reports on that. But the winds over the British Isles are now moving back to the southwest, and that process is going to continue slowly but surely during the course of the night. But it hasn't had much effect yet. In fact, over much of England and Wales, temperatures are below freezing, as low as -3 in places. There will be a frost throughout the night in the more southern areas, but further north those temperatures should continue to rise. It'll be fairly mild by the end of the night in the northwestern parts. Now, at the moment we have some rain and sleet across eastern Scotland, stretching down into parts of northeast England, but that too will continue to move out of the way. A little bit of drizzly rain left around some of those western coasts, maybe the odd spot coming through into eastern parts of England and the East Midlands, and with those temperatures close to freezing, watch out perhaps for a little bit of ice on the roads and pavements in the morning. But basically we're going to find this milder air coming in all the while. A lot of cloud around to start with tomorrow, a few spots of rain in the east, some near to those western coasts as well. The spots of rain and drizzle near those western coasts will persist throughout the day, but any in the east will die away, and in fact the cloud will thin and break, and there could well be a little bit of hazy sunshine coming through in some of those more eastern areas. And it is going to be much milder than it was today, up to 11 degrees for instance in eastern Scotland. But with that cold start, temperatures will take quite a while to recover in the southeastern corner of England. We have a frontal system moving down us through Saturday. It will bring a belt of rain down through all parts during the course of the day. Bright to begin with, ahead of it in the south, brighter weather with a few showers following along behind. And in any case, when the rain gets down to southern areas at the end of the day, it's going to be fairly light and patchy. It'll hang around into the first part of Sunday. Basically, much of Sunday should be dry and fairly bright, just a few showers in the north, but often